Put Velcrums over there, one piece. So now 10mm bolts on the out, and then 15mm on the in. I'm behind the exhaust. To get to the exhaust bolt on the bottom, on the outside, you have to remove the exhaust. So you gotta make sure it's off. So let me go ahead and remove those 10s and then 15s. And we're ready to pull out the head. So after removing the head bolt, you're able to remove the head. The head is out. Now to remove the lifters, what we're gonna do is 10mm here, 10mm there, and we're gonna pull out the lifters. Ready to swap the new ones. New head gasket, new head bolts, and good to go. Or you can reuse those same bolts. Is use Loctite, and on your gasket is a copper spray. Alright, now for the lifters. See those holders? It's 10mm socket. Get that one and the one in the back and replace the lifters. So let's go ahead and do that. Gonna put this on here. Get a little bolt, fall in the cylinder. Just try to get it out. Cut it out. Just put them in the goodie right here. Now we're good to remove the lifter holder. And as everybody knows, we're gonna have two sets of lifters. They're different. See this one here and the other one there. This is the one with the spring, is for the DOD, because these engines is the one that cancels some cylinders when you're on high speed. And the other two are in there, so let me go ahead and remove this one and the other ones. As you can see, these are new. So lifters are off. Already cleaned the pistons, remove the antifreeze. Have the oil lifters over there. That's what we have right here. One's for the fuel flex or the DOD spring, and the regular ones. So those are the old ones. Let me go ahead and get the new ones. The old ones, it's the new ones. On a sealed bag. So we're gonna open those and then we're gonna get the other regulars too. Alright, now let me show you something super important. So a lot of people, you can get it wrong and then you're gonna mess up your engine. Your new lifter. See this groove in here? See a notch groove? See one side is groove. See the other side is flat. Now look. This thing has a little grip holder in there. A little notch in there. So that one, that's where this one right here, that's where this one holds and lags. So this one is gonna go pointing down and the flat going up. So you put them in this way right there. Let me pause the video, put them in there, in the two hands. Okay, it's already in. See the flat still up. I see the groove there, it's pointing down. You even see the incision right here, the groove in here. Just push this one down, and you see, try to spin it, and that's what prevents that lifter from spinning. So it has their way, it has their direction. Make sure you put it that way. Okay, I'm ready to install the head gasket, head bolts, everything. But before anything, I just installed the new lifters, the lifter holders. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna bring the hose air. I'm gonna blow some air into on each little hole where the head bolt goes, so I can get all the oil and water from there. If no, it's gonna give you a false torque, or you can even break the bolt. So you have to make sure you put air through each little hole. This one, this one, this one, this one, that one there, here, 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 and here. On each bolt, on each hole where the head bolt goes, you have to get the water out. So let me go ahead and do it. Alright, so let me show you what I'm doing. There, here, here, here. Every hole where the head bolt goes. Have to get rid of all the water and all the oil in there. That cylinder, go for a little air. Good to go. And then right now I'm gonna wipe it with the rag, clean the surface of the block, sand it, scrape it. We're good to go for the head gasket. Alright, block nice and clean, ready to reassemble. A new gasket right here. Gonna drop it and bring the head. New gasket in place. Head. New head bolts over there. I added a little bit of oil on it. Have it set, so dropped it in. Head bolts. And I'll come back with the head torque. Okay, head in. All the head bolts, the 10 millimeters and the 15 millimeters, all the way down by hand. Now let's bring the torque. I'll let you know how much it's gonna be. Alright, for the Chevy LS 5.3 engine or any other one, it's 3 steps, 22 foot-pound as the first step. Second step, 90 degrees. Third step, 90 degrees. And the little ones in here, only 22 pounds. So I have snapon electric right here, digital. So first step, 22, each 15. The big one in the middle, the big one on the side. 22, then 90 degrees, and then 70 degrees. So let's go for 22 first. So now the way you're gonna do is you're gonna uncross pattern. Here, 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 and then to check is go one by one by one by one. But on a cross, cross, all the way cross. And we're gonna do the little ones 22 pounds, and then we go on the degrees. Okay, 22 even. It's set, even the little ones. So now I'm waiting for the angle. As you can see, I have it on 90 degrees right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it 90 degrees, same on the same pattern, and across. I don't have a tripod so I can set the cell phone, the camera, so I'm just gonna have to pause it. I'll get it done. So 90 degrees and then 70. If you wanna go on the safe side, go 70 and 70. So first, the 22 pounds are done. The first 75 degrees is 90, but I'm gonna go on 75. 75 are done. The last step is 75. So it's 22, 90 degrees, and 70 degrees. I'm just gonna go 22 pounds, 75 degrees, and 70 degrees. So I'm going for last step. So head torque is done. What I'm doing, I'm dropping in the push rods and then the rod clamps. The full metal plate first and then the push rod. Chingon. Head is in, valve cover in, exhaust is in. Now I'm gonna install the intake on the gasket. The gasket is gonna be stuck on the intake. Alright, intake is in with the 8 millimeter bolts. Torque it down all the way down and then half turn. You're good to go. Now from here, plug in all the goodies, plugs, coils, harness. Same way you remove everything. I'm gonna stop here because I have to hurry up because I'm almost time to go home. But yeah, from here and on is this plug and play. Alright, first start.